All right, Houston Raceway Park. Here we are again, finally back to Houston Raceway Park, the track. We got the Bullet here. We've done everything that we needed to do upgrade wise, and yeah, I think it's ready. The plan for today, we're not here for personal bests. We're not here for 60 foots. The only reason I'm here today on a Friday night is for shakedowns. I want to feel the car again. I want to get used to it again. My first hit's gonna be 8th mile hit only, so I can find out what these brakes do, because I have no idea. I don't want to run it all the way down the quarter and then find out, you know, something wrong with the brakes or whatever. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do, is the 8th mile hit. Then I'm gonna get after a little bit all the way down the quarter mile, feel out the car, see what it's all about, and take a look at some data and see what we're working with. I've already started at disadvantage because I forgot to put water back in the ice tank, so we gotta find, surely they have a hose around here somewhere, so we gotta find a hose and go from there. But that's why we're here. Steven's here, so let's get to it. My boy Solomon today, he's here with his Trans Am. In case you're wondering, yes, I am gonna drag that car today. Yes, I am gonna gap that car today on low boost settings. Why you put some E98 in it, huh? Huh? Why you putting some E98 in it? What do you put in yours? E85 pump gas. It's a street car. It's fucking lime gas, huh? I put E85 in it. I don't know why you don't believe me, huh? What? You sure you brought E98? No, I brought 85. Really? You didn't want to go fast. I mean, it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be fast enough to gap this thing, but that's fine. Where's the last race? Okay. All right. Because you're gonna need some test passes. Yeah, I mean, one thing I did forget was to put water in my ice tank, so I gotta find out how to get some water. I got some water in mine still. You probably got extra. I can just pump it out, just pump it into you. Aren't you gonna use your ice tank? No, I got air to air. I'm a street car. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're alright. See? Pump your water into my ice tank. I'm gonna wait for Steven to finish his drink so I can use his cup. We can put some root beer in it. I gotta cut the wheel though. Alright, so that's the plan today, guys. We're gonna have some fun. Just sitting here in the car in the lanes, waiting for what? Waiting to go.
Why? But you said we're gonna go up next because you got the DL on the download. You knew that we were gonna go.
Done? Are you done?
Am I always done?
No, it's never ending with you. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, we're just stuck in the lanes again. It's a hot night, sweaty. I'm sorry. Looks like they're letting all the street tires go first, which is bad news for us, but we'll just have to see. Hopefully they lay some rubber down here pretty soon for us drag wheel guys. But yep, just hanging out. 138, 60 foot, blowing the tires off. I mean, yeah, it seemed like it got out pretty good though. 6.4 in the 8th, 123 mile per hour. Mile per hour is almost there. I'll be curious to see what we made boost. I had turned the boost down because I wasn't sure what it was gonna make, so I think we can turn it up a little more, see if it responds well. That's what we're trying to achieve today, is find that response on the boost to see if it's gonna, you know, work properly. I'll probably dial down the launch a little bit just to be able to leave out of the hole just fine. All right, let's take a break. let's go watch Solomon and we'll try it again. So obviously it's a little, the tune-up's a little hot on it from every other track we've been to for Friday Night Street Night here. We knew that. So I did dial down the launch a little bit on this next pass that we're gonna make, but the biggest concern is that there's a little vibration coming from the front of the car. Whether it's in the suspension or the body, I'm not exactly sure, but I do feel it more in the steering wheel, which leads me to believe it's a front suspension. The only difference really is I had somebody else align it real quick this week before we came out here, just so I can have an alignment on the car. Since we did put those front struts on there, it had to have an alignment, and that may have bit us in the butt because there's that vibration in it that wasn't there before. So Solomon just went to blow. How was your pass?
What a gap, you? I know that for sure.
Sure?
Yeah.
10-1, baby.
Yeah, 10-1. Yeah, I got
10-1 at 114.
Oh, we raced slips here, remember?
What'd you mile per hour in the 8th?
In the 8th? 118. What'd you do?
123.
That's not bad. You gonna turn it up or what?
Yeah, it's not bad for 17 pounds.
Huh? 17 pounds? That was 17 pounds?
18.
18? That's all right?
Yeah.
It's gonna go really fast. You know that, right?
Maybe.
The boost stay like...
No.
No?
No, I was in and out of it.
But when you were wearing it for...
It spiked to 18 and it spiked to 23 and then came down to 18.
But it leveled off?
For the most part, yeah, but I was in and out of it so much.
Let me guess. Did he tell you guys, I blew the tires?
Yeah, I blew the
tires. I couldn't hook.
I blew the tires out.
How come I could hook?
I still,
60 foot?
138.
What for? How are you not hooking?
I don't know, too much power. What do you mean how much?
And everything else?
That doesn't matter. If it's too much power, it's too much power.
Turn the power down?
I did. I just did.
Just turn it off. I thought you were saying you're going to back half. Back half, that's what you said.
Yeah, if I would have stayed in it.
I'm saying.
I mean, I'll mile per hour to you in the 8th. I definitely would have out mile per hour to you in the quarter.
You want to do my parachute?
Oh, you pulled it?
Yeah.
Oh.
What kind of advice you want to give Solomon before this race?
Oh!
Turn it up.
Turned it up?
Turn it up.
All right.
Last pass of the day. Looks like we're gonna end up racing Solomon just as a little grudge race, a little smack talk race, if you will. But hopefully he turned it up. I didn't turn mine up. I left it alone. But hopefully he turned it up because I mile per hour more than he did in the 8th mile. So as long as he didn't turn it up too much, I think I can still hold him off. Just got to get out ahead of him in the 60 foot there, which I think I can do.
Nice one, Solomon. Nice one.
No, no, Solomon. No, no. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. That's not what I was trying to do.
862.
Solomon, if you're watching this, I promise I wasn't trying to do that on purpose. I mean, I was doing it on purpose because you fucking, you double bowled me, man. You know I wasn't gonna go in. I don't go in on a double bowl. And my racing instincts just took over, and well, the rest is history. I should have just gone in. I would have still beat thy ass. I was not trying to do you like that, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dude. I felt so bad when they backed you up, dude.
I told you I had oil.
I forgot. My racer instinct took over. Why would you double bowl me? You know I don't go in.
Because it was gonna start smoking soon.
Hey, you had no chance, anyways.
Yeah, we ran an 8.6.
At 113, I let out.
It was like real.
What was the 8?
5.5.
But what?
130.
Not bad. For how many pounds? Oh, you don't even know yet.
No. 5.5, 130. 8.6 at 130 in the quarter. I went the same mile per hour in the 8th and in the quarter. 130. 130.
Pretty fast. Pretty sure it held that time.
Huh?
Pretty sure
Yeah.
you held that time.
I stayed in it pretty good. Sorry, homie.
I'm ready.
I'm sorry, homie.
Why aren't you going?
I really wanted to race you. I wasn't trying to do you dirty.
No, man, you're good.
God.
I knew I was on limited time.
I
was on limited time.
I was kicking myself in the back end. I was like, God damn, I should have just went.
You
You
hear me in
know?
the camera. I'm like, don't double bump him.
I had to. Well, we were like, you know what? So we don't smoke the whole way. We'll just push the car until we actually have to run. That way, I know I have X amount of time till, you know, before yeah. I was like, we'll go in there, we'll do a burnout. Burnout smoke will still be there. I was like, maybe I might be able to run. It wasn't that bad, but I knew if it stood there, it would drop a little bit. So it's an oil pressure sensor anyway.
I promise, I really wanted to race Solomon. I didn't really, I completely forgot that he had an issue going on, and that's why he double bowled. I don't know if that's why he double bowled or if he actually double bowled because he wanted to mess with me, but I wasn't going in. That's just my natural reaction. My racer instincts took over. I saw the double bowl and I'm like, no, I'm sitting because I know I can sit and wait for that guy to come back. They'll wave him back, then I'll get in quick. But that's what I did, and unfortunately, it made the race between me and Solomon not happen. So that sucks because I really want to race him. But the good news is he never had a chance. Now we just need to add some power and get it on a sticky track and really get after it in 60 foot. That's it. That was 132 60 foots right there, which ain't bad, but ain't what we usually run.
You could have been like, hey, want a hot wheel league? I can't run you. I'm not gonna run.
Oh no, that still counts.
No,
You break
not,
a
no.
break is a disqualification.
I
It doesn't
got a
matter.
break.
It doesn't matter.
I was like, are you not?
Did you turn it up? What'd you think it would have ran? You think it would have ran next to me at par?
Yeah, I think it would have.
Think so?
It would have been pretty good. Yeah. It would have been good.
There's only one thing to do is come back.
I was like, came right, went up, got up to 3,400 pretty fast. I'm like, oh fuck. I was like, come on, what are you doing? What are you doing? I was like, I guess I gotta get off it.
Mom was just staring at you like.
I was waving my finger inside. You'll see it in the GoPro footage.
I didn't want to look to the side
Like,
because I know those guys are right now.
I looked at him too. I was like, oh, we're doing this. Like, here comes the two-step.
Hold him back.
He's about to get on the tranny brake.
I was about to roll down the window and be like, 1, 2, 3.
You should have. Alright, so leave your comments down below what you thought of this race. Did I do my man Solomon wrong, or was it legitimately called for? So leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Oh, and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. More videos coming soon. We got more racing to do this year, some personal bests to go after, and that's it. I'm gonna take this car home, get some rest, and get back to work. Good job today, old girl.